Hey guys, we're on a rescue mission today. Neil done fucked up. I gotta save him. Alright, where are we going? Oh, right here. Look at this morose motherfucker.
Wow, look at these morose motherfuckers right here.
Hold on a second. Look at that dumbass coming down the wrong way. Dumbass. There you go. You can do it, Mitsubishi. You can do this. Is that does he have a welded diff? Is that what that is? Welded diff. What'd you do?
Locked my keys in there. They're in the ignition.
That's next level.
I've never done this in the other car.
That is next level shit.
Because usually in the other car I leave the top down and I don't care. This car I don't want anyone to see me in, so I leave the top up. So like I got that much flex.
Ah shit, that's, I don't know man, that's gonna be tough. Alright, this is gonna be tough right here. Good. Okay, good. Alright.
Now. Oh, you're trying to get to the other side.
Yeah.
Okay.
What do you think I was gonna do?
I don't know.
Alright, well that happened.
What?
You just poked your
Oh, I don't really give a shit. I don't care. Done?
done.
How to break into a Miata.
So that, kids, is how you get. Hey, what you got in there? That looks like a motor stand.
Engine stand, yeah. Because that's what I went to pick up last night and this car died.
Look how cool, you guys. Keys in the ignition.
Yeah, it's... Oh, the battery's fucking running too. Let's see if this starts now.
Let's see. Hey, it started. That's good. I guess you're gonna go, what? Go get your other car and then meet me at my house? Okay. Because we're still doing stuff today.
Today is a shit show.
Shit show. It's always a shit show.
It's always a shit show.
Always a shit show.
Alright, I'll see you in a little bit.
See you later.
Thank you.
You got it.